Hi guys, this is Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number. So looking at this, we're going to be focusing on the number 25. Okay, so 25, we're going to do 1 more, 10 more, 1 less, and 10 less of 25. So I'm going to start by drawing 25. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have my 2 10s and my 5 1s. So we know that 25 is 2 10s, 5 1s. And I have to do 1 more. So I'm going to put an X on that 1 more. So 1. So now let's see, what is 25 plus 1, or 1 more than 25? So let's see. I'm going to count it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So that's 2 10s, 6 1s. Now, let's do 10 more. So 10 more. So I'm going to have my 25 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add 1 more 10. So let's see what 10 more than 25 is. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35. Because look, we just added 1 10 to the tens place because we were doing 10 more. Okay, so now let's do 1 less than 25. So we know it's 25, so 1 less than 25. So we have to just X out one of them. So now let's see how many is left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. So there was 5 1s. Now there's 4 1s because we took 1 away. There's 1 less. Okay, now, last one, we're going to do 10 less. So now I drew my picture, make sure I had 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now it's 10 less, so I have to take away 1 10. So now let's see how many is left. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we had 25, 10 less than 25 is 15, because we changed the tens place. So we had 2 10s, now we only have 1 10 because it's 10 less. So if it says 1 more or 1 less, we're changing the ones place. If it says 10 more or 10 less, the tens place is going to be changed. Okay. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.